Good morning, students. In CBSE NCERT classes of standard 10th subject geography. Today I would like to start second part of chapter 4 agriculture. I have already taught you yesterday the word agriculture is derived from the Latin word agri plus culture. Agri means land, culture means cultivation. That's why agriculture means land cultivation. Today's point is types of farming. Types of farming. In India, agriculture is an old economic activity from primitive subsistence farming to plantation crop. Many changes occurred. So you have to study one by one. Let's see the primitive subsistence farming. I have taught you this already yesterday. Primitive subsistence agriculture is practiced on a small patch of land. Primitive tools like hoe, hoe, digging sticks, and family or community labor are involved in this type of farming. It depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of soil, and suitability of other environmental conditions to crops grown. It also a slash and burn or shifting agriculture. It is called slash and burn agriculture or shifting agriculture. As example, jhuming is one of them. Let's see next type of farming, intensive subsistence farming. I want to show you some figure of intensive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive farming, labor consuming farming. High doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Though the right of inheritance law leading to division of land, so land holding size became uneconomical. Farmers continue to take maximum output from the limited land in the absence of livelihood. As example, it is practiced in the state of Punjab, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, or state Bihar, etc. Third type of farming, commercial farming. Commercial farming, I want to commercial farming, the main characteristics of this type of farming is the use of higher dosage of modern inputs. As example, HYV seeds, high variety seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. Sole purpose of commercial farming is selling the farm produce in the market. The level of commercialization of agriculture varies from one region to another. For example, rice is a commercial farming in Punjab and Haryana, but in Odisha, rice is subsistence farming, subsistence crop. Another example, in the western state of India like Punjab and Haryana, wheat is commercial crops, but in eastern India like our state Bihar, wheat is known as subsistence crop. And last, the fourth, the plantation. So let's see figure. Last types of farming, plantation. Plantation is also a type of commercial farming. In this farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. The plantation has an interface of agriculture and industry. Plantations cover large tracts of land using capital intensive inputs with the help of migrants labor. Means migrants labor is needed in the plantation agriculture. All product is used as a raw material in respective industries. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are the important plantation crops. Tea is grown in Assam and North Bengal mainly. Coffee is grown in the Karnataka. Since the production is done mainly for market, a well-developed network of transport and communication is very important for the development of plantation agriculture. So it is the part second of the chapter agriculture. Wait for the third part. Thank you.